All right, today we're going to do factoring. So the factoring, the first thing you want to do when you factor is you want to see, do I have any common factors in the term? So I'm going to look here at 18x cubed plus 27x squared. I'm going to ask myself, are there any common factors in 18x cubed, 27x squared? So let's look at 18, 27. What's the greatest common factor that 18 and 27 both share? 9. Now 3 is a factor, but 3 is not the biggest. 9, good. Now I've got x cubed and x squared. What's the most amount of x's I could take out of each one? 2. Good. I could take 2 out of each one. So 9x squared is my greatest common factor. So I'm going to write out 9x squared. I'm going to write that out to the left. And I'm going to put an open parenthesis. Okay, what does that mean? That means now, when I factor, I do the opposite of distribute. When you distribute, what operation do you do? What operation are we doing when you distribute? Multiply. So the opposite of that would be what? Dividing. Good. So I have 18 originally, and I divide by 9. That's on the outside. What's 18 divided by 9? 2. I had 3 x's. I took out 2, so how many are left? 1. Good. Plus 27. What do I do with 27 and 9? Divide. 27 divided by 9. I had 2 x's. Took 2 out, so how many are left? 0. Good. So I'll see if that can factor any further. That can't. So that's called factoring out the greatest common factor. Or in the hood, we call that factoring out the GCF. Okay. So there you go. Now, this next one's a little interesting. So is there a term that both of these expressions both have in it? What's a value? What's an expression that's a factor, that's a multiple of both of these expressions? What do both of these have in them? Good. You see how both of these terms are being multiplied by x plus 3? So what can I do with x plus 3? Factor it out. Good. So I could take out an x plus 3 because they have a common factor. It'd be like if I had x squared times y plus 5y. These both have y in common, so I could take out y and write down what's left over. So this has x plus 3 in common. So if I take an x plus 3, what's left over? Good. X squared plus 5.